Welcome to day 14 of our 30-day meditation challenge. Today we'll be practicing stability in the breath. I invite you to get yourself into a posture that feels supportive. So something where you can remain both alert and also at ease. It could be sitting up like I'm doing now. It could be lying down. You can even be standing with your back resting against a wall. Just finding whatever posture works for your body today. And once you've settled in, just allowing the eyes to gently close or just dropping them down quarter of the way open with a soft gaze on the ground in front of you. Taking a slow and deep breath in through the nostrils and out of the nostrils. And allowing the breath to return to its natural rhythm. And it's important to notice how the breath is always continuing on its own. It's steady, rhythmic, reliable. The breath is the witness of all of our experience. No matter what we encounter, the breath is still there. And in this way, we can gain stability in our practice by uniting our awareness with our breath. So allow your awareness to rest on the ever-changing experience of the breath. You'll notice that some breath is shallow, some breath is deep, sometimes the breath becomes almost imperceptible. And noticing all the places that the breath touches you. So perhaps noticing the temperature on the outer edges of the nostrils, that cooling sensation on the inhale, or perhaps noticing the slight warming sensation on the upper lip on the exhale. Finding stability in this reliable nature of the breath, flowing in and flowing out without any effort, without any need to fix or control. Just letting go into this experience, letting go into the body breathing. And notice how the body is feeling. Thank you for practicing with me on day 14 of our meditation challenge. And I hope you'll practice with me again tomorrow. Namaste.